Hello students. Last lecture we learned how to find out the roots of quadratic equation by factorization method. Now here is one of the example of quadratic equation. We have to find out the roots of this equation by factorization. For the factorization, the constant term is 2 and the coefficient of x square term is 1. Therefore, find out the two factors of 2 plus 2 whose sum is 10. But the factors of 2's are 1 and 2 only. And sum of these two is only 3. Or minus 1, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. But here we want sum is plus 10. And by the factorization method, we cannot find out the roots of quadratic equation. So we apply the another method, completing square method. What about the completing square method? Here is the two terms are here, x square plus 10x. These are the two terms. Find out the third term, then this trinomial becomes a complete square. Suppose for the term constant term 2, this is not making a complete square. For that, I am taken here the number k, and this is the complete square now here, and this is the complete square of, suppose this is the complete square of x plus a bracket square, and you know x square plus a square a bracket square is equal to first term square plus 2 into a into x plus a square. Now here is the k is a square and 10x is equal to 2ax, x square as it is. Now comparing the terms. Now here 2ax is equal to 10x. Therefore, x get cancelled. A is equal to 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. And now a is equal to 5, but here is the k is equal to, but k is equal to a square, and therefore a is equal to 5, therefore a square is equal to 5 square is 25. Now here if you adding the 25 to this left hand side and subtract, add and subtract, then the trinomial becomes here x square plus 10x, adding 25 and subtracting. Therefore, we have the equation x square plus 10x plus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, here x square plus 10x plus 25 minus 25 plus 2 is equal to 0. Adding 25 for completing square of this trinomial. Therefore, this is a complete square, and this is a complete square of x plus 5. X plus 5 square is this, and minus 25 and plus 2 is equal to minus 23 is equal to 0. Now, you know this is a complete square of root 23. X plus 5 bracket square minus root 23 square is equal to 0. And you know the formula a square minus b square. In first bracket a plus b into, in second bracket a minus b, like this. X plus 5 plus root 23 in first bracket, and second bracket x plus 5 minus root 23 is equal to 0. And here are the two factors whose multiplication is 0. Therefore, x plus 5 plus root 23 is equal to 0, or x plus 5 minus root 23 is equal to 0. Therefore, here is the value of x is equal to minus 5 minus root 23, or here is x is equal to minus 5 plus root 23. These are the roots of quadratic equation. Therefore, minus 5 minus root 23 and minus 5 plus root 23 are the roots of given quadratic equation. Now this is the method for completing square method. Also we can also solve by here is the another method like this. This is not another method but by another way, x plus 5 bracket square is equal to this minus term goes to other side is root 23 bracket square. Now taking square root from both sides. What is the square root of this? X plus 5 is equal to square root of this root 23 plus or minus. These are the two roots of this root 23. Square root of any number is always 2, plus and minus 1. Therefore, it is x plus 5 is equal to plus root 23 or x plus 5 is equal to minus root 23. And therefore, x is equal to this minus 5 plus root 23 or x is equal to plus minus 5 minus root 23. These are the two roots. In the same way, we have taken another example. X square plus x minus 20. X square plus x minus 20 is equal to 0. Now, again here, the coefficient of x square is 1. Make the coefficient in completing square method, make the coefficient of quadratic term always 1. Here is already 1. Now, x square plus x, here is the minus 20. For completing square method, the third term is k, and which is a complete square of x plus a. And this is the square of x square, so 2ax plus a square. Now compare the terms. Comparing the terms, here is 2ax is equal to x. 2ax is equal to 1x. Therefore, x gets dividing both sides by x. Therefore, here is a is equal to 1 upon 2. Now, but k is equal to a square. K is equal to a square, and a is 1/2, and which square is equal to 1/4. Now, adding 1/4 in this equation, adding and subtracting. Therefore, the given equation is x square plus x minus 20 is equal to 0. Therefore, in this equation, x square plus x plus, here is the 1/4. Adding 1/4 minus 1/4 minus 20 is equal to 0. Therefore, here this one is the complete square, and this is the complete square of x plus 1/2. The square root of this 1/2 bracket square, and here is the taken minus as a common, being bracket 1 plus 1/4 and minus 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 plus, and minus minus plus 20 divided by 1 is equal to 0. Now x plus 1 by 2 bracket square, here is minus, solving this bracket, 1 into 1 is 1 plus 4 into 20, 80 divided by 1 into 4 is 4 is equal to 0. It is x plus 1 half bracket square minus 81 divided by 4 is equal to 0. Transfer this term to the right hand side. X plus 1 half bracket square is equal to 81 divided by 4 minus 81 which goes to other side is plus is equal to. Okay. Now take the square root from both sides. The square root of this is x plus 1 half is equal to square root of this is plus minus x square root of 81 is 9 by square root of 4 is 2. 9 by 2 plus minus 9 by 2. Therefore, here is the values of x plus 1 half is equal to two values. X plus 1 half is equal to 9 by 2 or x plus 1 half is equal to minus 9 by 2. Therefore, x is equal to minus 1 half. This plus 1 half goes to other side is minus 1 half plus 9 by 2. Or here is x is equal to minus 1 half minus 9 by 2. Therefore, x is equal to, here the denominators are same, minus 1 plus 9 is plus 8 divided by 2 means which is equal to 4. Or x is equal to minus 1 minus 9 minus 10 divided by 2 which is equal to minus 5. These are the roots of quadratic equation. Therefore, 4 and minus 5 are the roots of given quadratic equation. Like this, also we solve another example. Nine y square minus 12y plus 2. Minus 12y plus 2 is equal to 0. Again here we the given equation is 9y square minus 12y plus 2 is equal to 0. Now make the coefficient of y square is equal to 1. Therefore, dividing both sides by 9. Therefore, if you divide 9 this term, it will become y square minus 12 by 9 y plus 2 by 9 is equal to 0 divided by 9 is 0. Dividing both sides by 9. Therefore, here is the simplification y square minus 3 3 no 3 y 4 by 3 y plus 2 by 9 is equal to 0. Now, here take any constant term, third term k. For that, making these three terms is constant. First two term and the third term as a complete square. If or now y square minus 4 by 3y plus k. Now these are the with these two term we take the third term k, and this is a complete square of, here is the y coefficient, here is the variable is y plus k, and take a y plus a bracket square, and the y plus a bracket square is y square plus 2ay plus a square. Now comparing the terms, comparing the terms like this. Comparing the terms, here is 2ay is equal to minus 4 by 3y. Therefore, here is 5y get cancelled. A is equal to minus 4 by 3 and 2 is to be also divided. 2 with each are minus 2 by 3. Value of A is equal to minus 2 by 3. Now, the K is equal to A. Also comparing K is equal to A and K is equal to A square. Therefore, value of A is equal to minus 2 by 3 bracket square is equal to 4y plus 4 by 9. Now, adding 4 by 9 to both terms, the given equation is, this is the given equation here, y square minus 4 by 3y plus 2 by 9 is equal to 0. Adding 4 by 9 and subtracting. Therefore, y square minus 4 by 3y plus 4 by 9 is the third one for the complete square of this trinomial, and also if you add subtract 4 by 9, and as it is the term, here is the third one is 2 by 9 as in given in your quadratic equation. Now this one is the complete square. This is the complete square of square root of first term, and here is the sign minus, and square root of 4 by 9 is 2 by 3. This is the complete square, and here is the minus as a common from both. What is remaining? Dividing here, plus 4 by 9 minus plus minus 2 by 9 is equal to 0. Now y minus 2 by 3 bracket square minus, denominators are same here, therefore 4 minus 2 is 2 divided by 9 is equal to 0. Now transfer to the right hand side, y minus 2 by 3 bracket square is equal to 2 by 9. Okay. Taking square root from both sides, the square root of this is y minus 2 by 3 is equal to plus minus root 2 by square root of 9 is 3. Therefore, y is equal to y minus 2 by 3 is equal to plus value upon 3, or y minus 2 by 3 is equal to minus root 2 by 3. Therefore, y is equal to minus 2 by 3 goes to the other side is plus 2 by 3 and plus root 2 upon 3, or y is equal to plus 2 by 3 minus root 2 upon 3. Therefore, if the value of y equal to, denominators are same, therefore 2 plus root 3 root 2 upon 3, or y is equal to 2 minus root 2 upon 3. Therefore, 2 plus root 2 upon 3 and 2 minus root 2 upon 3 are the roots of given quadratic equation. Like this, you can solve many examples. Now, we are finding out for any quadratic equation, solving any quadratic equation, find out the formula for finding out the quadratic equation. For that, we are taken any general equation, standard form of general equation here. Standard form of quadratic equation. Formula method. formula for that we are finding a quadratic standard form of quadratic equation and find out the standard form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is the standard form of quadratic equation. A, B, C are, what about A, B, C? They are real numbers. Now, by the completing square method, we find the formula in terms of ABC of variable x. Here is the variable x. Now, dividing both sides by a. Therefore, here is x square plus b upon ax plus c upon a is equal to 0 divided by a is 0. Dividing both sides by a. Now to get this equation, now by completing square method, what you have to adding and subtracting a constant term, for that making the trinomial is a complete square. Now here is the two terms are x square plus b upon k x plus k, and this is the complete square of x plus y. I am taking here y because b and a are here. This is a x plus y square. Therefore, and x plus y square is x square plus 2yx. Here the x is as a variable. 2y is a coefficient of x plus y square. Now compare again, comparing the terms. 2yx is equal to b upon ax. Therefore, here is x integration. Y is equal to b upon 2a. And therefore, the k is equal to y square, and y square means b upon 2a bracket square is equal to b square. Okay, b square upon 2a. B square upon 4a square. Now, this is a third term here for completing square. So, adding and subtraction. Now, the given equation is, this is the given equation here, x square plus b upon ax plus k. But here this is the equation, b upon ax plus c upon a is equal to 0. In this equation, adding the third term here, x square plus b upon ax plus b square upon 4a square minus b square upon 4a square plus c upon a is equal to 0. Now, this one is the complete square of x plus b upon 2a. Square root of this term is b square, square root is b, and 4a square square root is 2a plus. Now here is the 2 can take as minus as common. Then what are the terms in bracket? Minus minus plus b square upon 4a square minus plus minus c upon a is equal to 0. Solving this bracket, x plus b upon 2a bracket square minus for completing or making the denominators as the same, multiply here by minus sign 4a and dividing minus in bracket b square upon 4a square b square upon 4a square minus 4a square. Here is a A already 4a into a means here is 4a into c is equal to 0. X plus b upon 2a bracket square minus b square upon 4a square minus 4ac upon 4a square is equal to 0. X plus b upon 2a bracket square minus the subtraction b square minus 4ac upon 4a square. The sum is denominators are same here is equal to 0. Transfer this term x plus b upon 2a is equal to b square minus 4ac upon 4a square. Taking square root from both sides, the square root of this is x plus b upon 2a is equal to plus minus in square root b square root of this is b square minus 4ac upon 2 square root of this is 2a. Therefore x is equal to the value of x is equal to this term goes to other side is minus b upon 2a. Here is the plus sign root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Therefore, this term plus minus here, I am taken here plus minus two values of this. X is equal to minus b upon 2a plus minus root. Here the denominators are same. Therefore, minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac complete divided by 2a, because denominator is same. And this is the formula for finding out the roots. Here are the two roots. Here is the minus b plus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a and minus b minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. These are the two roots of quadratic equation. Here is the two roots are, one is the x is equal to minus b plus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a, or x is equal to minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. These are the two roots. Of quadratic equation. Now these two roots are denoted by, the roots are denoted by the first value, there is a plus value, is denoted by alpha. Alpha is equal to minus b plus b square minus 4ac upon 2a, and beta is equal to minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. This, if alpha is equal to this value, then alpha is greater than beta, and if alpha is equal to this value, then alpha is less than beta. If this one is alpha and this one is beta, at this time alpha is greater than beta. Here alpha is greater than beta. These are the two roots. We are considering these two roots as alpha and beta. But your main formula is the formula x is the variable. The variable is given in that equation is suppose x is equal to minus b plus minus root. These are the two values, b square minus 4ac complete divided by 2a. Now we solving the quadratic equation and find out the roots of the given quadratic equation by this formula.